Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Apple ID incorrect verification code in 2026. Now, verification codes are time-based and expire quickly. So you need to make sure that you enter the code immediately after receiving it. If you delay, the code becomes invalid and it is going to show incorrect. Now, if you are entering it quickly, but if it still fails, then you can check the device time. You can just simply go to the settings of the device in which you are trying to log in. Then you just have to go to the date and time. Now, inside the settings and inside the date and time, make sure that you select the option of set automatically. The incorrect time can also cause the codes to mismatch. Once corrected, simply request a new code and then you can just simply try again. Now make sure that you are entering the code from your trusted devices. Sometimes you confuse old or the delayed codes from the messages. So you can request a new code directly from your device. Make sure that the device has a stable internet connection as well, because if the network is slow or unstable, the verification may fail. So in order to fix the internet connection, you can either switch Wi-Fi or you can use mobile data, or you can also refresh it by using the airplane mode. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.